Okay, also, um, also, also. Hey y'all, it's the Artsy Plug, aka Trish. Today I'm showing you the tiny studio tour that me and my friends built. This is my first little tour video. I watch these shits, I binge watch these shits like religiously. So we're gonna give it a go. Yes, I have a mask by Tia on the face, just came in. Regular bandana, locks by Jay, Nike. I think this is like Shein. The pants is $5 from like a 99-cent store, don't judge me. And then my sneakers are Nike. But yes, let's get into it. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is the back of the door. I have 2 mirrors here, and when I do photography, sometimes I take off one of the mirrors and place them a little closer so the client can see themselves while shooting. And then that's the little trash can over there, but under it is a child stool. When I do children photography, I have this little cute wooden stool for them to sit on so that it doesn't look too grown to put them on a stool, and it gives them some childlike vibes. Okay, and then obviously my decoration is very playful and cutesy. Butterflies, hexagon mirrors, and some lights, some pucker lights. I got those on Amazon and things like that. I wanted my studio to look fun, be a place that I actually wanted to be in. So yeah. And up above, I have vines. I mean, if you went away to college or you just watch YouTube, like I watch YouTube, you know that all of the girls, they have vines in their room. I mean, like, who doesn't want a little bit of earthy vibes, you know? Count how many times I say vibes in this video and forgive me afterwards. But yes, I love these. They make me feel better. They make me feel like I'm outside when I'm not, because I'm in New York City, so, you know, it's very cold, very cold. Okay, so starting with the sofa part. These pillows are from IKEA. The pillowcases are from Amazon. The couch is from IKEA. I put it together myself while I was taking a class at the time. And I swear to God, the teacher didn't say one word to me. And if he would have, I would have told him, sir, I'm building. Please don't interrupt me. I think it was a math class too. Had nothing to do with building. But here we are. The fur was about 40. Because I went to like a very, you know, a New York City, a Manhattan fabric store, so you know they tax. And so yeah, and then below it is my book bag. I mean, I tried to hide it, but let's be real. So yeah, I have water under there. I have my book bag under there, so when clients come, they don't see like too much clutter, because I do have a lot of props. Then I have green little fake grass on the floor that I bought from Amazon as well. And then I have a rainbow rug from IKEA that is supremely dirty, and it just never snapped back. It just never came back from it. Then over here I have my fake plants. Again, I want it to be as earthy as possible, even though like I'm in New York. So these are my business cards. One of my favorite friends, Saida, we planned that shoot and she came and slayed, honey. These are my thank you cards. These are flowers that I have. And then this is like a yellow blanket. It's a throw blanket, but I used it as a tablecloth just to bring some life into the studio. Then this is my Faux Vanity, right? I bought these tile mirrors from Home Depot, and then these pucker lights were possibly from Lowe's or they were bought online. I'm not sure right now. And then these flowers were given to me from a nice lady in the street. She had a beautiful bouquet of fake flowers, but they looked exotic. But she saw my face and she knew I wanted one, so she gave me one, and it was really sweet of her, and I was really grateful, very grateful. Then we're moving up here. More flowers and stuff like that. You can't see it if it's too bright, I'm sorry. And more under storage, right? This is my clouds. My clouds, very good prop. I keep it. I don't think I'll ever get rid of it. It is a messy, messy, messy thing to play with. But it's really good. Another faux plant. I do use them sometimes. Not often. But also, this is my crystal light. I have diabetes, so sometimes I have to eat. And if I eat a lot of food and I drink water mixed with crystal light, which is 0 calories, I'll be okay. And then moving on to the mess I call a fridge. Again, just a diabetic thing. Okay, now we're gonna get into some equipment. This is a beauty dish. It's from Newer. I broke it as soon as it came. Let's just not talk about it. These hooks are from IKEA. My friend Saida had to show me how to put them in because I'm not a handy manny. I'm a city girl. She showed me how, and I put the rest of these in. I now own 2 drills because that's just what type of time you gotta be on. This is a Newer light. It's a strobe light. They work pretty good. I use them as backup lights, and then my main lights are Godox lights, and they're up right now on C-stands because I'm gonna shoot later. And they also have, what do you call it, sandbags. I have sandbags in here, stools. Because of my height, sometimes I do need the stools if I'm shooting tall people. I like to think that I'm tall, but you know, let's not jump to conclusions. And then this is my little seat and posing desk. I use it sometimes. It just helps give people better posture. It helps give people better posture because I do teach people how to do posture, but you know, they forget. But a table helps them. Then from this point of view, with the couch behind me, oh, can we focus, please? Oh my God, I don't think it's gonna focus, but damn, Sony. All right, here we go. I'm gonna stay still. All right, these are I have a B&H metal backdrop holder, but I do put these up by myself sometimes. My brother actually initially put these up, but when I do run out of paper, sometimes I can't just call him and be like, hey, travel down to Brooklyn and put this up for me. Like, no. So I learned how to do it myself. I believe I'm like 6-7 months into having the studio, which is insane. It's fucking insane. So the bottom one is plastic. It's from Newer. Then the top one is metal heavy duty from B&H. I love a good B&H. This is my extra backdrops that I don't really touch too often, but Sometimes you gotta mix it up. And this is a room separator. Sometimes if clients are wearing like risky things, I'll put it up because just for like a respect type of thing. I'm a woman, I know what it's like. So even if I'm working with another woman, like let's have some privacy going. So, and then this section, forgive me, please. B&H, it has my gels in here and it has my product photography gear in it. I just like a little separation going. And these are my Easy Glow soft boxes, sandbags, Swiffer, drill supply. These are my drills, my drill supply, my hammers, my wrench, my fucking screws, whatever you need, you know. All in one little corner, because honestly, where else am I gonna keep throwing those sandbags around? Let's start from the bottom. These are all poles. These are also paper, gift wrapping paper. I sometimes use them as backdrops to give more vibes. Here's my newer bag. It is the home for the strobes when I travel. Secondly, tiny little monolights. My Godox light. It's like this because I'm about to use it right now. So it's out. My 2 drills, baby drill, other drill, scissors, spray, backdrop holder is not up because I don't need another one. Deodorant. I like to stay prepared. Light bulbs, batteries, little wipey. These are my props. I use a lot of flowers. Recently bought some baby breath. I think baby breath is life. And then I have my little plants that I got from like Marshalls and things of that nature. More light stuff, wires, extra masks, JBL, because nobody works in silence around here. Umbrella, another Easy Glow, a stool, ooh, more wires. Okay, so I've shown you backdrop, more backdrops, room divider, cleaning supply / gels, softbox, screws, extra, you know, construction, handy manny vibes. And right behind this is my Success Nutrition Facts. I bought this on Amazon. Hustle, focus, persistence, discipline, failure, risk, patience. I often make a lot of mistakes. It's okay to fuck up sometimes. It's really okay. My coat is on the hook right now, but I do have coat hooks and wire hooks. I put wires here sometimes, not always. And then on the other side, I put light things on there. My little table situation. Pedialyte. Sometimes you gotta get right with the Lord. Alcohol, sanitizer, baby lotion, the little thermometer. You feel me? Hello, let's get into it. Then we have like a little air freshener thing. We have sanitizing wipes are in this little soda can. It's from Marshalls also. More hand sanitizer, candle, and more cards. And then below is a bit of a mess, but it's fog water for my fog machine. Petroleum jelly, baby wipes, more spray, rose water, and more mask. Thank y'all for watching. Hope to see y'all soon. I would love to do this YouTube thing. I'm just not that interesting though. Thanks for watching. See y'all soon.